What's up guys, today's video is on the best wireless dog fences. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. PetSafe Wireless Pet Fence. PetSafe Wireless Dog Fence. The PetSafe Wireless Dog Fence system comprises a central transmitter that connects to the appropriate dog collar. The transmitter emits the 17.5 kHz radio signal, which creates a circle within your home. If your pet, wearing the collar receiver device, is within the boundaries, he'll be able to hear a series of warning signals. This is which are followed by a static warning. This 17.5 millisecond radio frequency generates the appearance of a circular area which is fully adjustable. It can create an area with a 90-foot radius in every direction, resulting in a possible total size of 180 feet. Or 1 acre. The transmitter can be placed so that your dog has an area to run around in the back and front yard or only one particular area. Number 2. PetSafe Stay Plus Play. The Stay Plus Play wireless fence by PetSafe can be described as a product that is like the one that was mentioned earlier. The most notable difference is that this model has rechargeable collars, rather instead of relying upon batteries, and emits more of a larger diameter. Turn your transmitter on, then set the diameter of your circle, and then you're done. Its Stay Plus Play unit can create a circular containment zone that is 3/4 acre, 210 feet across. Pick from 5 different static levels of correction or one-time correction for sound. It comes with a waterproof receiver collar device, which means you won't need to find a new plan in case it rains. By using multiple transmitters, it is possible to connect many yards or many other areas to create a big dog fence. Number 3. PetSafe Basic In-Ground Pet Fence. PetSafe also has an in-ground, wired system that you can set up yourself. The product is called the PetSafe Basic In-Ground Fence System. The wired design of this product does not just mean that it's more affordable than other wireless alternatives, but also that you can design the ideal area to meet your pet's needs. You'll have to set up the system on your own, however. That's only one aspect of the deal of this affordable device. Underground wire lets you define your boundaries to suit your own property. This invisible dog fence includes 500 feet of fencing wire and can be extended to encompass up 5 acres of property, with purchasing an additional wire. If your dog ends out of the boundary zone, the static correction shuts off after 30 minutes. The system won't be activated for 5 minutes. Number 4. PetSafe YardMax Fence. It is the PetSafe YardMax rechargeable in-ground fence is like that of the PetSafe standard in-ground fence that was discussed above. The primary distinction between them is the fact that YardMax has a larger area of coverage and can provide 30% more yard space that is usable through the relocation of the warning zone outside your boundary. The device also has wireless collars and offers the possibility of creating no-go zones for indoor and outdoor objects that you wish to protect your pet from. Though units that use underground wire are difficult to set up and maintain, they let you set up a perimeter tailored to your yard size and shape. The unit is equipped with a wire that can cover half an acre, but it could be expanded to make containment zones that span up to 10 acres with an additional wire. Because the warning zone is over the boundary zone rather than in front of that, the dog will have plenty of space to roam around your backyard. Number 5. Invisible Fence Pet Containment. This invisible fence pet containment system includes a wire that is put in place around the perimeter of the property. It is installed by a skilled technician. This creates a zone of containment for your pet. A transmitter, usually installed in a basement or garage, can transmit an audio signal to the underground line. The radio signal will be detected by the collar unit. The collar emits an alarm sound each time your dog is within the border. If your dog continues to be close to the boundary after the warning, the dog is reprimanded and a static warning is issued. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.